What is up, YouTube family? We're back for another one in this exciting series of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That's right, I just talked robotic just for the heck of it. We're gonna get into this, guys. Thank you for being here for this unboxing of these TORRAS cases. My first time, guys, because I'm gonna tell y'all honestly and up front, straight up, these cases are expensive, especially when they are much more economical choices like Spigen, heck, even D-Brand, heck, even Kadabe are cheaper than these cases. And I use a 10% off coupon and they still were expensive. So without further ado, yeah, let's get these open. Let's see what flavors we're dealing with, and then we're gonna try it on and then take a look at it. So I'll figure on the first one, since you guys, and really true as well, I've never done a TORRAS case unboxing. So it's very simple, just a normal box to open. Then inside of there, you're gonna get your case. So you guys, I got the three colors that they had for this air. It's like a, what is it called? Let me see here. It is called, let me see if they got it on the box. They don't actually, it's on the back. Here it is. TORRAS OstandQ3 Air is the type of case. And I'll link this in the comment section. So you get your case in there, nice little plastic sleeve. You also are going to get, looks like some interchangeable buttons. So I like that. So if you can rock the standard, like they come with orange, looks like, or you can change it out for color match. So that's right there. Inside of there also, you're gonna get a quick guide for how to put this in. We'll put this to the side and use it. And that's gonna be it. Nothing super fancy, nothing super crazy, guys. I just want to show you that first one so you can know what to expect. So let me go ahead with the magic of editing, get these other colors in here. 3, 2, 1. Voila, we've got the three colors that they come in for these I gotta look this up, y'all. Hold on, let me pull up this on Amazon so I can tell you guys the official name of what you're looking for on Amazon. All right, so we got this pulled up on Amazon. These are going to be the OsTand Q3 Air is the full name, so I think I got it right the first time. And they're gonna retail, man, I am not kidding y'all, almost $70. So $65.99 each. If that's your jam, if that's your flavor, that's cool. I'm not here to judge, but it does come in 3 different flavors, as I mentioned. You're gonna have the purple, which, yeah, they call it just violet. They call it Violet Surge. Then, of course, we've got the gray one right here. They call this Shadow Black. And then they've got this one on the far right, which is, to me, like a turquoise. So they call it Glacier Sprint. So that's the 3 different varieties that they've got on their website. Again, $65.99, 18% off on sale right now as the filming of this video. I'm gonna make y'all do some work today. I'm gonna put you guys through the normal battery of tests we do on the Bobby G channel, but I want y'all to help me in the comments section. Number 1, if you're enjoying this video, like, comment, and subscribe. But number 2, you're gonna help me choose which color goes best with my, was it Sky Blue? I think this is, y'all. I'm just gonna call it blue, light blue, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this kind of through our normal batteries. First thing up is we're gonna weigh it. So let's bring in the scale. Okay, so scale zeroed out. So the case by itself is going to weigh 57 grams. So let's bring in our little notes. So look, I'm getting older. I'm forgetting stuff, y'all. Don't judge me. So we got 57 grams for the case by itself. So that's 57 grams. Just help me remember over here on the side. Hopefully y'all can see that on the screen. It's kind of washed out. So we got 57 grams for the case by itself. The phone, if you guys remember earlier, we already weighed it, comes in at 217 grams. So what we're looking at total is, okay, so I think that's 274 grams total. So that's with the case and the phone itself. So I don't know. I don't think it's too heavy. The case by itself, y'all, to be honest, okay, so it feels pretty light. It is a rigid case. It's more of a rigid case. You're going to have these airbags in the corner. So basically it starts in the corner right here. It goes all the way around the top to that other side. You're going to have the opening right there for the microphone. That same airbag technology along the bottom. The sides, you're going to have some texture to be able to hold on to it. I'll put this to this test in the real world, see how grippy it is. Then on the back, you're going to have a frosted texture, okay? Then the big selling point for this case is not only does it have a kickstand, but it also obviously adds MagSafe, okay? Kickstand. But I believe, I don't have anything metal yet. Hold on, let me see if I can. You're going to have to take my word for it, okay? You're going to have to listen here. Okay, y'all, let me show you again, okay? I'm gonna leave this here so you can see, but I got these other ones because the back is also magnetic. Listen to this. Did y'all hear that? So my metal piece is off to the side. That's my camera holding stand. So it is magnetic as well as being chi, as well as being a kickstand. So pretty good. So I'm gonna leave this for last because I think this is, in my opinion, gonna go the best with my blue Samsung S26 Ultra. So let's try on with these two first. And again, y'all gonna tell me in the comments which one y'all feel is the smoothest. So let's go ahead and move our numbers out of here. Let's bring in our fresh and so clean phone. Okay, and then we're gonna do the instructions. Try to stay true. That is brutally tight, but we got it in. What do y'all think? Okay, so this is gonna be the first one we're gonna look at. This is the blue and gray. I don't know, I'm digging it. It's a nice little contrast right there. Let's put it through our battery of tests, and then I'll do a quick montage and just show you how it looks on the other colors, and then you guys can tell me your choice. So, you know, the first thing we're gonna do is check that wireless charging. Is it working? Is it popping? Is it doing its thing? So we got our MagSafe charger. It should work, right? It's not Apple, but there we go. Wireless charging is working on there. Look, I know I'm doing this out of order, but let's kind of check that magnet strength. Okay, seems to be holding pretty good right there. Let's check the USB-C fit. So we got the big chungus. If this can fit, anything else can fit. And I'm not even shouldn't be worried about it because look how big that oversized opening is. Look at that. So even with your oversized charger, you guys can see on camera, it's gonna fit no issue there. So we got two good things. MagFit's gonna fit on there. Now I don't have right now, currently with me, my normal shake and bake test stand, which is gonna be that Camolo. We're gonna have to use a little bit of Moft energy. Bring that Moft in. You guys can already see though, look, this is always a Samsung thing because of how they do their camera layout. But this is with a Moft tripod stand. This works great with iPhones, but let me just check. Okay, it actually is holding fairly well. But again, you guys can see anything that's not like a circular tripod or MagSafe accessory on there, you're gonna have some issues with it, with the cameras. And I've said this before in my tripod review videos. Okay, so mag strength's good, USB fits is good. Let's kind of check on the side. Man, I gotta really force for it to move on there. So we got a tight fit on the sides. Super tight fit at the top. There's a little bit of give on the bottom. So you're gonna have a even raised lip all around that top, guys. So you ain't gotta worry about that slam down, face down protection, okay? This brand new phone, I just threw it down, man. So on the back, you're gonna have even bottom. Whew, I like that MagSafe, man. I like that ring. That's pretty fresh and clean. Okay, your kickstand, then you're gonna have a fairly nice raised, I'm gonna give it a hair, maybe two, above your, what do we call this? It's not a camera plateau. But above your camera modules right there, you got a little bit of minimal branding. I feel like this is kind of looking like a side of a NASCAR yacht where they just got all this advertising. Lightweight protection, secure grip, Air Max, TORRAS, shock mat. It's like a lot of freaking branding and like punchlines and taglines all over this. In the bottom view right here, first time I'm taking out the S Pen on this phone. Okay, it's brand new. So S Pen is nice and easy to take out. Y'all saw that on camera. Let's take a look at the top-down view. See if we get this camera to focus. Oh, it looks pretty good. So that's gonna be the around view. Let's actually check out the buttons. So the grip, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This is the grip on the side. That feels kind of slippery. I'm just saying that feels kind of slippery. We're gonna have to test this out in the field. But let's check the buttons. Okay, power button's pretty clicky. Volume down. Volume up's pretty good on there. So. Oh no, the buttons are pretty clicky. So I think that's gonna be through the series of batteries of test. Let me just do a quick montage of the try-ons. Again, remember this is that, let's see, what color is this? This is the gray one. Shadow Black is the official name. So that's that blue on gray. Let's try out the purple next, and then we'll go to the, well, purple. I say purple, but it is actually considered Violet Surge. And then we'll do the Glacier Sprint, or Glacier Sprint. So guys, let me go ahead and end this video. I think I covered all my normal bases, guys, but you already know what to do. Let's get in the comment section. Let's chat it up. Y'all been really great about this, guys. We are almost to my first milestone of 500 subscribers, and then we're going for that 1,000 subscriber mark, so we can put this channel really on the map. So with that, let's go into the comment section, y'all. Let me know, first of all, what color you think goes best with my blue Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Then alongside that, will you spend the money? Like, is this case worth it to you? What I showed you, kind of my first impression on it, like, do I think it's worth $65? Personally, I might go with some other different options, but I've actually got to put this through the paces and test this in the real world to see if it's worth that money, okay? So I gotta keep it real with y'all, be honest. But if you consider you like Bobby, I'm sold. I like it. I like the style. I like the way it goes with the phone. I like that it's a super freaking snug, tight fit. You know what? Do you do what's best for you? But the only thing I ask is use the links in my comment, or sorry, in the details of this video, because this channel is 100% viewer supported. So appreciate y'all. It's your boy Bobby G. A little bit of a longer video, but I'm out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.